How to import presets into Premiere Pro. Hey there video creators, if you're looking to add some flair in your editing workflow, using presets can be a game changer. Today we'll guide you through the process of importing presets into Premiere Pro. Let's get started. Before importing, make sure you have the presets files ready. These could be .prfpset files for effects presets, or .mogrt files for motion graphics templates, or .q files for LUTs. Open the Effects panel. In the Premiere Pro, navigate to the Effects panel and you can find it by clicking on the Windows menu and selecting Effects. Once the Effects panel is open, click on the Import Presets button located at the bottom of the panel. Navigate to the location where you saved your presets files and select the ones you want to import. You can select multiple files at once if you have a batch of presets to import. After selecting the presets files, click Open to import them into Premiere Pro. You should now see the imported presets listed in the Effects panel under their respective categories. To apply a preset to your footage or project, simply drag and drop it from the Effects panel onto the desired clip or adjustment layer in the timeline. You can then customize the preset settings to suit your needs. If you have many presets, consider organizing them into custom folders within the Effects panel for easier access and management. Right-click in the Effects panel and select New Custom Bin to create a folder. To save your customized workspace with the imported presets, go to the Window menu, select Workspaces, and choose Save as New Workspace. This way you can quickly switch back to your preferred setup in the future. Importing presets into Premiere Pro is a fantastic way to enhance your editing process and unlock new creative possibilities. With just a few clicks, you can add professional-grade effects, transitions, and more to your project. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching.